V002, Main Menu, Secondary Menu, and the Dashboard. Main Menu Overview. The bottom section is your main menu. In it, you will find Company and Team, Calendar and Tasks, Discussion, Notifications, Activities, Integrations, Workspace, Social Posting, and File Sharing. The top section on your left is your secondary menu. After connecting to your desired integrations in the main menu, use the secondary menu to add assets, products, personas, visual maps, digital activities, and campaigns. They will be reflected on the dashboard page. As stated in the previous video, when you first log in, everything in your dashboard will be set to 0. As you add things in assets, products, personas, visual maps, digital activities, and campaigns, they will be reflected on the dashboard.